Alright guys, as you can see, I got the job from Lagos. Okay, instruction was I should do a labial retractor and the color berry pink. Thanks. And as you can see, these are the cast, the lower cast and the upper. Then the next thing I did was to code C and incorporate my wires. And after that, I flow my acrylic allowed to set, and over here I decast the job and trim excesses, and finally boom, here's the final job, polished and ready to be inserted in the patient's mouth. Here is the description of how it was going to be done, and here I'm packaging the job to send it back to my client in Lagos. Now, my next video, I'm going to teach you guys the A and B step by step on fabricating an orthodontic appliance, regardless of any type of orthodontic appliance. Okay, yes, I'm going to put you through from the beginning to the end. So if you are new to my channel, please just subscribe and like. Thank you.